We are Facilis, a company that is building the digital teams for tomorrow's manufacturing. Our AI platform empowers manufacturing organizations to achieve unprecedented efficiency, productivity, and cost savings.
Before meeting with Facilis, the challenge for us was to find a correct partner. There was so many startups, especially in the AI field. There's many similar technologies, similar companies. So it's very difficult for us to find a correct partner. So we decided to do an innovation challenge, bring the problem that we had from our business unit side and throw it to the startup side so that they can at least have a chance to solve that problem. And the best one was Facilis.
We have been partnering with Mitsubishi for almost a year now. And it all started here at Plug and Play. The problem was about manufacturing in one of the automotive assembly lines. There were defects in the paint colors. As you know, it's super important to have the right paint color. It's millions and millions of dollars at stake. We managed to build a solution that is able to detect more than 99% accuracy, as well less than 60 milliseconds per image, which was impressive given the different criteria that they had. It will be saving them significant amount of dollars that was estimated to around $15 million annually.
They solved the visual inspection problem of the painting. We brought a similar cases in which was also from the Mitsubishi Electric's internal problems. We manufacture servo motor in Japan, and we luckily had some data sets around that. So now we're working on solving the automated visual inspection for the servo motors.
They invited us to go to Japan, and we were just there in past August. We've seen their Nagoya works, which is one of a big manufacturing complex. We've met some of the folks in their R&D, as well as we got exposure to their VC arm to talk about opportunities of collaboration in the future. The key learning from our partnership is that no business thrives in the absence of trust. And no trust actually thrives in the absence of transparency. We took our time to establish that relationship, that trust. And that's super important. That laid the foundation for a very productive and successful partnership. Plug and Play played a key role in first igniting the spark, championing Facilis and its solutions, and nurturing that kind of relationship with our partner Mitsubishi Electric and others.
I can speak multiple aspects on the Plug and Play's role. First of all, thanks to Plug and Play, we had a great engagement. They always bring us great startups. And the second portion is throughout the conversation or the collaboration with Facilis and Mitsubishi Electric, Plug and Play always was there to help us communicate.